step on in here so I can talk to y'all real quick. Hello darling, how are you? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. I've got some really good stuff for you today. I am hosting a giveaway. Yes! In honor of Black History Month, I decided to pick a Black-owned company and give you guys some of their products. So, the company that I decided to go with is none other than Juvia's Place. So yes, honey, you'll be getting some really nice makeup products from Juvia's Place, and you'll be getting this makeup bag as well. Isn't it? It's really, I love the representation we have here. Like I said, Juvia's Place is Black owned, and all their packaging has some sort of like really ethnic type, you know, women with adorned in all of the different hair ornaments and neck jewelry and all of that stuff. That's really African proud, honestly. If you ask me, that's where we see a lot of these images from. But yes, you'll be getting this makeup case, and it's filled with tons of goodies. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So as you can see, the makeup case is pretty spacious to have all these boxes in it. So yes, look at everything you're gonna get. So let's take a look, and everything is brand spanking new in the boxes, but I am gonna open them up just so you can see what you're getting, okay? So let's start with this one. So this is the Empress collection, Empress Lip Collection by Juvia's. This is the Mina matte and metallic liquid lipstick. So let's take a look at those. And I'm just taking these out the sleeve. They are individually wrapped as well. I'm not gonna unwrap them. So yes, this is a really dark kind of purpley color, kind of vampy, which I really like. I love a good vampy lip. Yeah, really dark purple vampy liquid lipstick. This one's metallic and the other one is your matte lipstick. So you're gonna be getting these two in the giveaway. And you're also gonna be getting another set of lipsticks from the Empress Lip Collection. This is Madam, another matte and metallic duo. So yes, I love this purple. It's very vibrant. It gives me spring vibes. This one looks like the metallic one, so that means this one's the matte. Super pretty. You're also going to be getting a loose highlighter. I have tried and I cannot get this little box open for the life of me, and I don't want to mess your box up or break your packaging or rip your packaging or anything. So I'm just going to insert a picture to let you see what it looks like, what you're going to be getting. So yeah, this is your loose highlighter, your glow powder. It's in the shade Nubia. So, you know, you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it on your shoulders if you got a little shoulder action going on, you know, anywhere that you want to put your highlighter so you can get a little shimmer going, you can use this for that. And then last but not least, which is probably my favorite piece of everything that you're going to be getting in this giveaway, is you're getting the Berries eyeshadow palette. Now, I broke the little seals on the box, like I said, because I'm going to open it up and show you what you're getting. So let's take a look. Bubble wrapped. Here's your palette. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it has plastic over it, and of course I'm not gonna take your plastic off. Let you see, it is right there. It moves, but it does have plastic over it. But look at those colors. So you have 6 eyeshadow colors, and honestly, you know, these can be used as blushes too. I do that a lot, and I love these colors. I would definitely dip my blush brush in this one. Love it. You get two shimmery ones, and the rest of them are kind of matte. Absolutely gorgeous, love. Gorgeous. So yes, I'm gonna slide that back in your bubble wrap and put everything back in the packaging for you. I mean, I feel like that's some really good stuff. Like, I really wanted to keep some of this for myself. But, you know, I said I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do it. I got this stuff to give to you guys, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I know you're wondering, what do you have to do to win this stuff? Really, really simple. Not gonna make you jump through hoops. This is all you have to do. So like this video and subscribe to my channel, and then comment and let me know that you've done so in the comments. That's it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and let me know that you did it. And if you really want to get my attention to let me know that you entered the giveaway, I'm going to post about this on my Instagram. Go over to that post, leave a comment letting me know, hey, I liked your YouTube video, I entered the giveaway, and you know, this is going to make you stand out a little more, catch my eye. So yes, that's all you have to do. The only things that are mandatory is to like the video and subscribe to the channel and comment below and letting me know that you did it. And like I said, if you want to maybe, you know, sweeten your chances, head on over to my Instagram. It's at Forever Diamond, the number 4, EVR Diamond, and I'll also have that linked below. And just leave a little comment letting me know that you did it there also. That's not mandatory, but it may help your chances. That's it. That's all you have to do. Good luck, honey. There is some really good stuff in this makeup bag, and you get the makeup bag. And yes, this is, like I said, in honor of Black History Month. And I decided to support Juvia and buy these things in order to give to you all. So yes, go ahead, enter the giveaway. The 24th, we'll pick a winner, and then I will go ahead and get your package in the mail so you can hopefully get it before the end of the month. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment to enter the giveaway. Let me know you did it in the comments. Have a good night, darling. Bye.